Hey, look at my YouTube channel.
We're going to read a book?
Yeah.
Okay.
Today.
We're going to read a book.
Yeah.
A bedtime story, right?
Yeah.
Okay. We're testing out a
Guys,
out a new camera, right? Because we're not sure about the audio from the other camera, right?
so guys, this was one of my favorite books ever.
Right. This was my favorite book when I was a kid, right?
Yeah.
And it's called Go, Dog, Go. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Here we go. Let's see. Dog. Big dog.
Tiny dog.
Little dog.
No, the tiny dog just for the big dog because he is heavy because he's big.
Well, what if the little dog is strong? Has big muscles, right?
Just like
Just like you. Big muscles. You do a lot of push-ups, right? Big dogs and little dogs.
and regular dogs.
Black and white dogs. Hello. Hello. Do you like my hat? I do not.
No, no, no.
No, no, no.
And he will say,
Shh, shh, you can't tell the end yet. They don't know the end.
okay.
Goodbye. Goodbye. One little dog going in.
And out.
3 big dogs going out. A red dog on a blue tree. A blue dog on a red tree. A green dog on a yellow tree.
No, how about this dog can be on the tree, and this dog can be on that tree, and that dog can be on this tree.
The dogs are all over the place.
Yeah.
Some big dogs and some little dogs going around in cars,
In circles.
in circles. A dog out of a car.
Just his jaw is poking.
His car's broken.
Yeah.
2 big dogs going up.
And one dog is going down.
1 little dog going down. The green dog is up.
And
The yellow dog is
down.
down. The blue dog is in.
In and out.
The red dog
Is out.
is out. 1 dog up on a house.
And one dog is out.
And 3 dogs are down in the water.
Down in the water.
A green dog
It's up.
over a tree.
Over.
A yellow dog
Under.
under the tree. 2 dogs in a house, on a boat, in the water.
In the water.
A dog over the water,
Over the water.
and a dog under the water.
Oh no.
Hello again.
Over.
Hello. Do you like my hat? I do not like it. Goodbye again. Goodbye. The dogs are all going around and around and around. Go around again. The sun is up. The sun is yellow. The yellow sun is over the house.
He is too because he's down the
cool.
house.
He's in the shade. He's a cool dog. It's hot out here in the sun. It's not hot here under the house. Now it is night. 3 dogs at a party on a boat at night. Dogs at work. Work, dogs, work. Dogs at play. Play, dogs, play. Hello again. Hello. Do you like my hat? I do not like that hat. Goodbye again. Goodbye.
If you'll be so angry.
Oh, jeez. Dogs in cars again. Going away. Going away fast.
Where they are going.
Look at that. I'm not sure. Look at those dogs go. Go, dogs, go. Stop, dog, stop. The light is red now. What do you do to the red light?
Stop. No, we have to fix that way.
Yeah, that was a green light. See? Go. Green light. No, the light turned red. Go, dogs, go. The light is green now. Can you leave your shirt on?
And that's my foot is just itchy.
You have an itch on your foot?
Yes.
Go ahead. Let me see what you got to do. You got to go all the way like this to get to an itch on your foot?
Yes.
Just do this. Itch your foot like this.
No, it's right there.
It's right there?
Mhm.
Better?
Yeah.
All right, zip her up.
Mhm.
Can I finish the book?
Yeah.
Okay. 2 dogs at play. At play up on top. Go down, dogs. Do not play up there. Go down. Now it is night. Night is not a time for play. It is a time for sleep. The dogs go to sleep. They will sleep all night. Now it's day. The sun is up. Now it's time for all the dogs to get up. Get up. It's day. Time to get going. Go, dogs, go. There they go. Look at those dogs go. Why are they going fast in those cars? What are they going to do? Where are those dogs going? Look where they are going. They are all going to that big tree over there. Now that the cars stop, now all the dogs get out. And now look where those dogs are going. To the tree, to the tree. Up to the tree, up the tree. Up they go to the top of the tree. Why? Will they work there? Will they play there? What is up there on top of that tree? A dog party. A big dog party. Big dogs, little dogs, red dogs, blue dogs, yellow dogs, green dogs, black dogs, and white dogs are all at the dog party. What a dog party. Hello again. And now, do you like my hat? I do. What a hat. I like it. I like that party hat. Goodbye. Goodbye.
Yes.
Yeah.
Just don't want to move.
Hold on. Oh, you gotta say, you gotta do your YouTube channel thing.
The like button and
Okay. Thanks for watching.
thanks for watching.
Make sure to come back again.
Make sure to come back again.
Hit the like button.
No. Hit the like button.
Make sure to subscribe.
Make sure to that.
And see you tomorrow.
And see you tomorrow. And good night.
Good night.
Bye.
Bye. Blah.
That was fun.
That was fun.
Happy was fun. Let's go watch the movie.